Hello everyone, welcome to my research solution. My name is Dr. Devorsi. I am consultant statistician and young scientist. We made this channel to guide you through your research work such as thesis writing, result and analysis, project writing, synopsis and publication, as well as to give useful hints and guidance. Today, we will discuss how to write the result section of the dissertation or thesis.
Results section of a dissertation is one of the most important sections as it provides a clear and concise summary of the research findings. Here are some guidelines on how to write the results section. Start with an introduction. Begin by providing an overview of the research questions and hypotheses that were tested. State the methods used to collect data and how it was arranged for analysis. Present the data. Provide a summary of the data collected, including any descriptive statistics or graphs that illustrate the data. Ensure that the data is presented in a clear and easy to understand format, and highlight any important trends or patterns that emerge. Analyze the data. Use statistical software to analyze the data and determine which tests to apply. Explain the rationale behind your choices and justify the statistical methods used. Interpret the results. Present the results of the statistical analysis and interpret them in relation to the research questions and hypotheses. Explain what the findings mean and discuss their implications for the broader field of study. Include diagrams. Use diagrams, charts, and tables to present the data in a visually appealing way. Ensure that the diagrams are labeled correctly and that they are referenced in the text. Provide limitations. Highlight any limitations of the study that may have affected the results. Discuss any potential sources of bias or error that may have impacted the findings. Conclude with a summary. Summarize the main findings of the study and restate the research questions and hypotheses. Discuss the implications of the findings for future research and practice. Remember to use clear and concise language when presenting the results, and ensure that all data and findings are relevant to the research questions and hypotheses. Additionally, use subheadings to organize the results section into logical subsections, which will make it easier for readers to follow your arguments. Like this video and share it with a fellow student or batchmate pursuing MD, MS, DM, MCH, Ph.D, or DNB degree, and please do subscribe to our channel for more such content. Your subscription is free, but it motivates us to keep bringing such content to you every week. We need your support to reach as many students as we can. Thank you. See you next week with another such video. Till then, take care.